Chia seed versus flaxseed gel, which is better for your hair? We're going to find out in this video. Previously, we've been looking at how to make chia and flaxseed gel. In this video, we're going to be using those gel on our hair. So first off, we're going to divide our hair into sections and then go in with our spray bottle to like water the hair, hydrating the hair. This helps to open up the hair cuticles so our gels and the ingredients in them will be able to slick into the hair. The first one we're going to be applying on our hair is the chia seed. We'll be using the chia seed on one section of our hair. Chia seed is packed with a lot of benefits and vitamins that are essential for hair growth. But in this video, we're going to uncover more truths about chia seed and flaxseed to see which is better. As you can see, I'm applying it on one side of the hair and then I'm twisting it so I could apply on the other side. And one thing you want to make sure you do is hydrate before going in with your seed or with your gel. You hydrate before going in with your gel. In the process of doing this, you want to make sure it's rest well on your scalp. The gel massage properly on your scalp and then flows down to the ends of your hair, because the ends of your hair are the oldest part in your hair and are more prone to breakage. So you want to make sure that they are all moisturized from the scalp to the ends of the hair. If you want to read more about the benefits of chia seed and flaxseed gel, I've written a lot about them on my on story pod. So I'll be leaving the links in the description. You can go there and check it out. It's very amazing. I list the impact of flaxseed and chia seed for hair growth. Thank you very much. God bless. Now, after weaving the other part into sections, the next thing we are going to do is work on the other section. As I said earlier, we're going to repeat the same system. We hydrate in order to open up the hair cuticles to accept the gel. Then we go in with our flaxseed gel this time around. Don't forget to hydrate and make sure the water is massaged properly on your scalp, your hair is well hydrated before going in any of the ingredients. This system is also applied to any hair masks you plan to create in the future. So yes, you want to make sure the hair is hydrated. Then you go in with your flaxseed gel and apply them from your scalp to your hair ends, protecting your hair ends, preventing it from splitting and further breakage if you suffer from breakage before. And if you don't, it's still a way to prevent breakage, like very, very helpful. When you're done hydrating one section of the hair, you want to weave it to make sure the gel is not like pouring out from the hair, because it's definitely going to drip on the floor. So you want to make sure your hair absorbs enough before the excess is wasted. Weaving it will also, you know, help keep in the moisture. As you can see in this video, I did the same for the back and applied both the chia seed to the other side, to the chia seed to the front and the flaxseed to the other side of the hair. And then yes, we'll leave it and wait for about 30 minutes. As you can see in this video, the areas where I applied chia seed is different, so very different from where I applied the flaxseed gel. The flaxseed helps redefine and brought out my hair curls, my hair natural curls better than the chia seed. The hair are both moisturized if you look at them deeply, but the areas where I applied flaxseed gel was more coily, brought out the hair curls. So yes, after 30 minutes, you can take them down and you can still see that the chia seed and the flaxseed which are applied in both areas are very different. The chia seed is coiled, but the flaxseed is more coiled, help redefining my curl. So for a type 4C, 4 very hair, I would advise flaxseed gel is better. Both are packed with nutrients. Flaxseed gel is better though. As you can see in this video, so it made it very easy for me to, comb my hair. The comb was just going really smoothly, unlike the usual struggles 4C type hair go through. Like the flaxseed and the chia seed gel help very well in detangling your hair. But promise you don't really want to leave this on your hair for too long, or just leave it like that. Why? Because it's going to cause flakiness. It's going to cause these white particles all around the hair. People from afar will think you're dirty, and it's dandruff. It's just, it's just chia seed and flaxseed. So yes, this is how you make chia seed and flaxseed gel on your hair. Thank you.